Hey guys, it's Nina. Welcome back to my channel. I'm excited to be here talking to you guys considering the circumstances. I have actually been home for a month now because we had a scare in my office building way before anything really popped off. So I've kind of gotten used to the quarantine life. It just is what it is. If you are not essential and you've been at home, I'm sure you can relate to just like, it kind of, for me, it's just like the ups and downs of being home. Some days it's great, some days I'm cool. Some days it's like, man, I really wish I could go outside. But I think generally speaking, I'm dealing with it, I'm managing it. I have the things that I need. So it's really just, it is what it is. So I wanted to chat with you guys really quick about something that I thought about in this month that I've been home. And it's crazy that it took me this long to really think about this, but here I am now and I want to share it because it didn't really occur to me. So maybe it hasn't occurred to you either. But I have always suggested that when you're at home, you tie your locks up so that way you don't get lint in them if you're lying around, lounging, watching TV, chilling, whatever. And so I realized every single day I was wearing my scarf all day. And like these are times when I would normally be at work or I would be out and I wouldn't have on a scarf. If you wear a scarf for your religion, then that's different. But I'm talking about for somebody that doesn't wear a scarf all day. Now I'm wearing a scarf in the house every single day, 8 hours plus. Actually, really, when you think about it, it's like 16 plus hours because I'm working, I'm home all day, and then I'm going to sleep and I'm wearing my scarf. My scalp would get really itchy, and so I started scratching and like patting my head. And then one day it was like, yo, if I'm wearing this scarf every single day, and I actually wear 2 scarves, as I've talked about, one for my edges, one for the rest of my hair. If I'm wearing these scarves every single day, and I'm scratching every day, and I'm adjusting it every day, and every day it's slipping and falling off my head, and I'm pulling it back, at some point that is going to cause damage. I don't know how long we're gonna be quarantined. Nobody actually knows that, and people are putting out arbitrary dates and everything. We really just don't know. And so I'm not trying to say, oh my God, quarantine is gonna cause your hair to fall out. Please don't take it that way. All I'm saying is, I got to the point where I realized maybe I should start taking the scarf off and just letting my hair breathe throughout the day, because for me, the instinct is just to have on a scarf. I'm at home, I'm not going anywhere, I don't need to show my hair, let me protect it. But I do think that in these extraordinary circumstances, there might be such thing as overprotection. It was just really important to me to make sure that my hair is getting oxygen, air is circulating through it, it's not getting itchy, I'm not patting it, I'm not constantly scratching at it. Because the thing is, your locks are an investment. The time and the energy that you've spent on your journey is an investment. And you want to protect your investment during this time. I mean, it's just like when you wear wigs over time, that will lead to damage on your hairline. So again, this is not trying to be doomsday. This is not trying to scare you. This is just something to think about, something that I'm thinking about. So one thing that this does mean is that you do have to check for lint, things getting gathered in your locks, because that is the risk of not wearing a headscarf. So I would definitely say if you're cleaning, vacuuming, dusting, all that stuff, I would still suggest wearing your scarf. But for me, I think if I'm not doing those things, I'm going to make sure that I am deliberate about not wearing it sometimes and just letting my head breathe and just reducing the tension that's on my hairline every day. And all of that is really in addition to everything else. It's part of a normal routine like moisturizing, washing, checking for lint, all of that. Protect your investment. Your locks are going to see the light of day after all of this is done. So make sure that you just give them the best chance to thrive while you're at home. I have some more content coming for you in this quarantine, so stay tuned for that. I know I've been quiet, but I'm just somebody that needs to process. Like, I'm a slow cooker. I gotta let things kind of bubble a little bit. Yeah, there are a lot of people that are really pushing this idea of like, we've never had this time before. You should have a business. You should have this, and this during this quarantine. And yes, all that's true. Like, a lot of us do have more time. At the same time, this is something really serious that's happening. And if you're not in complete hustle and grind mode right now, I don't judge you for that, because this is affecting us. This is affecting our lives. This is not just a vacation that all of us got. But anywho, that is all for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you guys in the next one.